why I'm trying to get this nice and tight in there is because this is our limiting factor. We can't go any higher than this, so I want to go as high as possible. That way we can lift this walkway up a little bit more and slope it away. So if this step was further down, then we might get some puddling here if we didn't lift this up enough. So, because we want to lift the rest of things up, and this is our limiting factor, I'm trying to get it as close as possible. It's very close. All right, we are putting the step in. Let's make sure everything's clean. We've leveled everything. A lot of leveling has gone on. Sloping, grading. Put these in. Make sure they're sitting nicely. That fits nice. If there's no crack, you come over here. See, there's like no crack here. It's sitting perfectly beside each other. That's what we like to see. Okay, so here we have some really ugly cuts they made for this corner. So it's not very stable. You don't want to be making garbage cuts like this. If I was gonna cut it something like this, I probably would have cut this one a little bit and left this one larger. Like how they cut this. Well, I don't even know what was happening here. Why they made an L. Also looks like an ancient symbol from days of yore. Maybe a ruin from the dwarves in the mines of Moria, I don't know. But they really shouldn't have cut this like this. But they did, and here we are. So I'm just using this flamethrower blowtorch thingy to dry off the blocks because we don't want any moisture compromising our glue bond. We want it to cure nicely. We want the glue to cure nicely. I'm just dry fitting this to see how it fits, because I know this one here is gonna be super tight. I don't want to put it on yet, so I'm just spacing it out, making sure it's all good. I'm gonna go back in nicely because once I add the glue, I don't want to take it off. There's some schools of thought about gluing in lines like this. Some people say it's better to glue back to front rather than side to side, which I get, because they say it traps the moisture by making a full line. But here's the thing. These blocks are supposed to be tight enough to trap everything, so I don't get, like, this block is not a great block, so screw that. One thing though, do this, like put it down a little bit beside it and kind of push it in. That way you kind of break the glue bead. So you just put it down like that, this, and then like kind of wiggle it in. That way you got a wider coverage of the glue. Like so. All right, so that last one is in. We're now done this step. Just trying to get a little bit of these lines straightened out. They didn't cut this very nicely, so grab my trusty mallet, do a little this, do a little that, but the step is done.